She does not have any of that. But I'll try, guys. I'll literally try. Okay, this is the one. This will be the one. I know I'm trying, guys. Like, so. Hi guys, we're at GACHALIFE again. Today guys, we're gonna make Mulan. Mulan is a character from Mulan, the movie. Yeah, it's the movie. Now, let's make Mulan. First we go to the body. Now let's go to the skin. Her skin color is peach. Maybe this peach, maybe this one. Now she has a little bit of blush, like that. Now she's a girl, so I chose girl. Now, if you've seen these two videos, Mirabelle video and GACHALIFE tutorial video, it's right up here. Have you watched it, guys? Okay, if you watched it, tell me in the comments. Let's go to hair now. Her hair is kind of straight, then yeah. Her hair is like this. Her hair is like this. Rear hair, straight, 19. Her front hair is kind of cool, but I've choose this one because it's very beautiful. So I can use this, but it's yeah. So let's go to her back hair. Then her back hair is kind of straight. Her back hair is straight. No, that's not straight. Her hair is not that long, but maybe this. Now her hair is black. So this. She does not have any tips. Why did I remove that fade? Now her eyes is kind of like this maybe, or maybe this. I'm just gonna choose this one, or maybe I will choose this one. It's pretty. This one. No. The last one. Yeah, that's perfect. Now her eyes is brown. It's brown or black. Maybe brown. I will choose brown because, yeah. Pupils. Does she have pupils? Okay. She does not. She has pupils. She has pupils. Black pupils. This. There. Her eyebrows kind of like this. Then like that. Maybe that. That's pretty cool. Now her mouth is kind of, she's kind of happy, sometimes sad if you've seen the reflection one, but sometimes, but she's happy. I can make her like that. Can make, this? Yeah, I like this now. Tell me guys in the comments if you love watching Mulan the movie, and I appreciate if you subscribe, like, and share, and also comment on this video. Now her shirt is like a kimono or a Korean one, but gonna make her. Let's see if wow, it has this. Okay. There are two types. This. This. I'll just go with the first one, I guess. No. No, not that. Just that. It does not look like Mulan. But I'm gonna just try, okay guys, I'm trying to find Mulan shirt. See this? No, not this, not that. just go with the first one. Like, I don't know. Yeah. I need to think. No, there's no jacket. This. She does not have any of that. But I'll try, guys. I'll literally try. Okay, this is the one. This will be the one. I know I'm trying, guys. Like so. Like so. Yeah. It's gonna get pretty enough. I'm trying to find a shirt for a kimono, like. I know I saw it. I know I saw one. I don't know. This is not it. Okay, don't mind the sound of the back. But the shoes or sleeves. Or sleeves are like that. No, it's too pretty. I can't stand it. I like it. But her dress is green. Green. I read that. Yes. This green. I know I'm trying, guys. Like, yes. Don't mind me about it. Second thought, I wish. She has that blue thing on her. What? It's not like that. Like, no. I'll just go with this. I don't care. Like, why? Why, Karzy, you're gonna guys react like, I'm trying to make Mulan. It does not look like Mulan. Like, this may not work. I wish GACHALIFE has a set. This has an idea. I like this. Oh wow. Guys, okay. I'll try it. Like, yes. I am already trying. Like, yeah. But if you like Mulan so much, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. She has. Why did I choose? There are no Mulan kimono things, but I'll use this. Okay, fine, we'll use it. Guys, guessing. Actually, you guys, I can't stand it. Like, I love Mulan. Like, okay, this is a shirt. I can't put the blue on. Okay. Does she have any shoes? I'm just gonna put her on like that. So, can you rate my Mulan? Cause I try, I'm sorry I can't. But if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Like, I forgot. Mulan. Why is it Mulan? Her relationship is maybe happy relationship. He does not have cause happy personality, occupation. Wait. I don't know. I mean, you're a hero, I guess. Yeah, she's literally a hero. Okay, guys, rate in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like over here, and comment here, share, and subscribe at the top. Here, and put the subscribe here. Then the like, the comment, then the share, and the like. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all the subscribers I got. Thank you for all of what you've done. I appreciate it. Yes, I appreciate it. So bye, guys.